Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Documint API in 2026. If you want to generate documents automatically from your own website or application, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the API or developer section from your account settings. Next, generate or copy your API key. Keep this key secure because it allows your application to communicate with your Documint account. Now create or select a document template with all the required dynamic fields. Make sure every field has a clear name so you can easily send the correct data through the API. Next, read the API documentation to find the endpoint for generating documents. In your application or automation platform, send an authenticated request that includes your API key, the template ID, and the data for each dynamic field. After sending the request, wait for the API response. If everything is configured correctly, Documint will generate your document and return a download link or document details, depending on the endpoint you're using. Test your integration with sample data, first to confirm that all fields are mapped correctly and the generated document matches your template. Finally, monitor your API requests for any errors, update your integration when needed, and keep your API key private to protect your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Documint API step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.